Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? T plus tear. T, tear. Tot plus ear. Tot, ear. Teeter, totter. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car. As we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Thank you, Gene. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome again to our show. Well, now that the holidays are sort of over, almost, it's time to get down to some serious business here on Classic Concentration. As you can see, each of our contestants has a strike against him. That means the first game today is very important. Those of you who were watching our last program the other day will have noticed at the end of the show we had a close call involving John here. John, unfortunately, forgot something very important, and that is you can't confuse the symbol with the solution of the puzzle. The symbols are there to help our players solve the puzzle, and you have to solve it exactly and precisely. I'm sure both players are ready to go today. We've got some fabulous prizes in this one. So let's go over here, and we will show John and Jim one of our prizes, particularly good if you're musically inclined.
Gibson's Epiphone Les Paul standard electric guitar is a rock and roll rocket. Quality in every detail and designed for high-powered performance. Furnished by Gibson USA. Alex.
Thank you, Gene. And for Jim Gorman and John Radke, here's where they will find that on the board at number 4. And we have a Caribbean club vacation. And John, you get to pick first.
That club vacation would be nice on a honeymoon.
When are you getting married?
I'm getting married in February.
Way to go. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Is this going to be a first time for you?
Yes, first and last.
Listen, in Southern California, you've got to ask if it's the first time. First and last, that's a good attitude, believe me. All right, good way to think about a honeymoon and a new wedding. Go ahead, pick two numbers.
Okay, let's see if we can find that under number 17.
Red take.
Red take. Let's see if we can find a match under number 25.
Caribbean Club Vacation. Well, we now know where part of it is. Jim Gorman.
Well, I'll start off in that right corner up there again. I'll start off with number 10.
Wild card.
Here we go again. And number 25.
25 for the vacation. The other vacation is at number 8. John, don't worry. It's the first match of the game.
There's some takes.
Yeah, there are 2 takes up there. Let's open these 3 panels for these 2 gentlemen. And Jim will study the puzzle.
A little early.
All right, go again.
Let's see what's under number 2.
Diamond earrings.
Oh, I'd look good in those. Let's see if we can't find those diamond earrings under number 17.
No, that's a red.
That's the one he picked.
That's a red take that John uncovered. John?
Okay, let's see if we can find. Let's see if we can find our number 5.
5. Telescope.
Telescope. Let's see if we can find a match for that under number 22.
No, mattress set. Jim?
Well, let's look for those diamond earrings or a wild card or under number 6.
Green take.
No, and we'll see if we can match that up with number 20.
No, telephone and answering machine unit. Back to John.
See if we can see another corner, number 21.
Car stereo and speakers.
That'd be nice. Number 23 for match.
Green take. No match.
Oh,
Jim?
now where did I see the green take? Let's see what's under number 7.
Not there. Phone and answering machine.
Sure messed that up. And we'll see what's under number 3.
There's a wild card.
Not lucky.
You were looking for the green take. I
Yeah,
know.
I was.
John knew that. When you uncovered the phone and answering machine unit, John suddenly sat up in his chair. He said, I'm going to clean up because Jim's not going to make the match, and I'm going to get 2 matches out of it. And then you hit the wild card to break his heart. The other phone and answering machine is down at number 20. John knew that. 3 more doors opening up here. Let's see what they reveal for Jim Gorman.
Still a little early.
All right, go again.
Let's look at that number 2.
Diamond earrings.
Boy, I'm way off again. Maybe I can get lucky and hit another wild card under number 15.
Some days the magic works, and today it's working for Jim. However, I should point out that all of the wild cards are now gone, so from this point on, natural matches only. The other diamond earrings, where are they? Bottom line, number 24. 3 more doors opening for Jim.
Oh, it's a little early.
All right, now we're getting down to some serious play, Jim.
Number 6.
Green take.
Gee, I found it, and then I forgot where the other one was. Number 19.
Telescope. John, here's your chance.
Okay, let's see if I can do some work here. Number 23.
Green take.
And number 6 for the match.
That's right. Trying to use it now. He's got that vacation. He's got some diamond earrings, telephone and phone answering machine unit.
Yeah, I'll take the Caribbean vacation.
Okay, one vacation coming John's way. Hang on, he's already got the vacation. Got a lot of young ladies cheering you on here. Let's open these two panels. Select again.
Okay, let's look under number 19. And number 5 for the match.
There's a match on the telescope. Well done. 2 more panels opening for John. Select again.
Okay, let's look under number 1.
Compact disc player.
Haven't seen that. Let's see the match under number 14.
Red tape. No match. Jim.
Boy, my
There you
mind's
go, Jim.
blank on this. Number 11.
Gas barbecue.
That. And we'll go with number 9.
Mattress set. John, here you go.
Okay, number 14. And 17 for the match.
There you go on that one. Red tape. Green tape's already gone.
My fiancée will love the diamond earrings.
I'm sure she will. Diamond earrings for John Radke. Or I should say his fiancée. 2 panels opening up. Select.
Okay, let's look under number 9.
Mattress
And
set.
I believe the match for that was under number 21. No.
Car, stereo, and speakers. Jim Gorman.
Number 16.
Electric guitar.
And number 4.
Yes. Open them. Jim. Pick again.
Number 22.
Mattress set.
And number 9.
Mattress set.
All right.
Try it again. Can you solve it now?
Cape Cod.
Is it Cape Cod? No, it is not. Select again.
Number 13.
Gas barbecue.
And number 18.
Compact disc player. John, you're alive again.
I'm alive. Let's see if I can do something with it. Number 1.
Compact disc
Number
player.
18, please.
That is correct. You've got 4 prizes at stake, including a possible honeymoon in the Caribbean. Can you solve this puzzle? Well, there are 4 numbers left, so you've got a pretty good chance of making a match. If
See
you do
number-
make a match, you'll clear the board.
Okay, let's see number 12.
Car, stereo, and speakers.
21 for the
21
match.
is a match, yes. That prize goes up there. Jim knows how to solve the puzzle, but he may never get that chance. We'll open these 2 doors, and then we'll do 11 and 13. The gas barbecue is there, and that's another prize. So we have 6 prizes at stake. John, can you solve this puzzle?
Hold Cape Cod.
Is it Hold Cape Cod? No, it is not. Jim.
It's Old Cape Cod.
Is it Old Cape Cod? Yes, it is. Poor John. Getting stymied by those symbols. Sorry about that, Jim. Let's go to the board.
I see what you mean by solving early.
All right, you break it down.
All right. We have the hole in the sock for old and the D and the cape for old, cape, the K, and then the odd numbers for odd. Old Cape Cod.
All right, there's a tough way to win it and a tough way to lose it for poor John. Sorry about that. 2 strikes against you, but congratulations on your upcoming marriage. A lot of happiness to you, John. Take care. Jim, let's find out about your prizes. You're a winner again, and Jim's going to tell you what you got.
A phone answering machine. A service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select a phone answering machine or other top name brands from our catalog or redeem at any one of our many stores, furnished by Service Merchandise. And a mattress set. Bassett's Dream Maker gives just the right combination of firm support and soothing softness. Covered with golden glow satin fabric for exotic elegance, Dream Maker from Bassett. And, of course, the handsome electric guitar. Congratulations.
You're up to over $7,700 in prize winnings, Jim. And when we come back, 50 seconds on the clock for you to win a brand new car. It could happen today after this.
I hope so.
Retired policeman here, Jim Gorman, about to try again to win a brand new car, and he's about due. 15 numbered squares go up on the board, and the clock with 50 full seconds, Jim. Good luck, off you go.
2, 4.
Yes.
6, 8.
No.
10, 12.
Nope.
7, 8.
Nope.
12, 8.
Yep.
10, 15.
Yes.
14, 11.
Nope.
13, 11.
Nope.
7, 9.
Nope.
6, 7.
No.
5, 7.
Yes.
Hey, 3, 9.
Yes.
6, 1.
No.
11, 1.
Right.
13, 14.
You got it. 4 seconds to spare. I told you you're about due. Happiness is hugs. Gene, tell them about the car.
Jim, you've just won this Toyota Tercel two-door coupe. Features a 1.5-liter, 4-cylinder, 12-valve engine, 4-speed manual transmission and front-wheel drive. Furnished by Toyota, a prize worth over $6,800.
$14,652, your total winnings, Jim. Congratulations to you. Great time for us. 2 new players after this. Let's meet our new players. On my left, this pretty young lady is Evelyn Paul, and she is going to face U.S. Air Force Sergeant Greg Street. First Sergeant. Did I get it?
Staff Sergeant.
Staff Sergeant. All right, sorry. I'm promoting you. Let's take a look over here at one of the prizes.
Now available for your home, a HealthWave Industries toning table designed to promote circulation and inch loss without costly club memberships. Moves easily from room to room. Alex.
Marjorie's having a good time. That's nice. Evelyn and Greg, take a look on the board. Massage table at number 1. The bonus car seconds in this game, of course. $600 in the cash pot. And a holiday in Ixtapa, Mexico. And Evelyn, you get to pick first.
Ooh, I would love the
moves.
trip to Ixtapa, Mexico on number 19. Let's
Number
look.
19, wild card.
Let's fish around and see if we can find Ixtapa at number 7.
Number 7 is luggage.
Correct.
The other luggage at number 20. I thought you might have gone for the massage table. That's a lovely prize. But let's see how this works out. 3 doors opening up for you, Evelyn. Too early, I know.
Oh,
Go
yes.
again.
Okay, let's look under number 17 for Ixtapa.
No, 27-inch color TV. Good prize.
I can use a color TV. Let's look under number 4.
Red take. No match. Let's go over to Greg.
Okay, let's start in the middle of the board under number 13.
13 is a sofa.
Okay, and let's see if we can match that sofa at number 11.
No, 5 bonus car seconds. Evelyn, back to you.
Okay, let's see if we can still find that Ixtapa trip at number 24.
20-piece cookware set. I was about to say 200-piece cookware set.
Okay, let's fish around at number 8.
Nope. Green take. Greg?
Okay, let's try to find that trip or a wild card under number 15.
Cash pot.
Cash pot.
$600.
All right, that sounds good. Let's see if we can make a match at number 17.
27-inch color TV. We started off well, and we're kind of dragging now. Evelyn, pick it up.
Let's look at number 2.
Massage table.
And the match for the massage table at number 1.
That's it, yes. So you're going to get a shot at the massage table after all, Evelyn. 2 panels opening up at the top of the puzzle. Select.
Okay, let's look at number 18.
1-8. 20-piece cookware set.
And the match for the cookware set at number 24.
You are correct, and that's another prize for your column. You've got them all so far, 3 of them, Evelyn. Let's take a look.
One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest.
Is it One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest? Nope. Go again.
Okay. Well, let's look at number 21 for Ixtapa.
Diamond and opal pendant instead.
Okay, let's fish for a wild card, number 5.
Green take, no match. Greg?
Okay, let's take a look at number 12.
Wild card.
Yeah.
Well, Sarge, where do we go now?
And let's go for that green take at number 5.
Number 5, all right. The other green take is at number 8. You want to use this right now?
I'm going to save it.
No?
Yeah.
Okay. Open it up. He's saving.
Okay, let's take a look at number 22.
Number 22, 27-inch color TV.
And the match should be under number 17.
Should be and is. You're right. Now do you want to use the tape?
No, I'm going to save it, okay?
All right. 2 panels opening up for Greg.
Okay,
Pick again.
let's take a look at number 4.
Red take.
Okay, let's take a look at number 25.
Red take. Now do you want to use one of the takes?
Yeah, I think I'll use the... We'll go for the massage table.
That's an expensive prize, believe me. That's a good prize to have. The massage table goes over to his side. 2 doors open up for Greg. Remember, he has to solve the puzzle. Select.
Okay, let's take a look at number 11.
5 bonus card seconds.
I think we saw that, and I believe it was number 9.
No, that's the sofa. Evelyn. Whoop, there's the bell. Get set, players. Hands on your signaling buttons. We're going to start revealing, beginning with number 3, number 6, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15. And Evelyn goes in.
Lunch treat.
Is it lunch treat? No, it is not. Greg, take a look at the puzzle as we reveal the other 3 boxes, 16, 21, and 23. Can you solve this?
Yes, is it Dutch treat?
Dutch treat. Yes, it is. And we got a couple of good prizes. Come on, Greg, let's go to the board. Well done.
Okay, take a look at the D over here, and we add the hutch to get Dutch. And then we have the tree and the T for treat. Dutch treat.
Congratulations. Nicely done, Sarge. Evelyn, you jumped in just a fraction of a second too early, but you're going to play again in our next game. We'll see you then. Right now, though, let's find out about Greg's prizes. Gene?
A 27-inch color TV, Panasonic's 27-inch TV and built-in stereo monitor receiver offers full-function remote with learning capability, furnished by Panasonic, and, of course, the relaxing massage table. And these prizes total $3,344.
2 prizes worth $3,300. And the car round after this. Greg Street won the game, gets his first shot at winning a brand new car. He thinks he can do it. We'll find out right now. 15 numbered squares go up on the board, and 35 seconds go up on the clock. Greg, good luck. Off you go.
1, 2.
No.
4, 5.
Nope.
6, 3.
No.
7, 8.
No.
9, 2.
Yes.
10, 7.
No.
6, 11,
Yes.
12, 8,
Nope.
5, 13,
Yes.
14, 3,
No.
1, 3, 14,
You said 3 first.
15.
You're not going to make it anyway.
Yeah.
When you go for 6 or 7 numbers at the beginning with base time on the clock and you don't come up with even one match, it's going to be very, very difficult for you. But you've got $3,344 in prizes, and you're going to play again. And we're going to take a break. Gene.
Some of today's participants may receive limited edition Ray-Ban precious metal sunglasses by Bausch & Lomb. Feature rare metals and 24-karat gold frames with changeable lenses. Available in gray, black, or white. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
I really feel out of place. I don't have a uniform. We have a security officer here with the Air Force, and we have a general, a one-star here in a red dress, and I don't have anything. I'll wear a uniform on our next show. See you then.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.